Today we're going to remove the oil pressure switch on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. Alright, I went ahead and started up already. Went ahead and removed the cover to the engine. I set myself up a little camp with a stick there, little knee cushion. I have a mat here and a mat up here because we're going to have to climb way up here into the engine to be able to reach it. I really went ahead and disconnected it, but you can see my socket back there. The way you get to this is right in between everything. Put some light back here. Alright, so I have the pigtail disconnected here. Alright, and there it is. It has a little safety tab. You pull back, then you're able to compress this and release it. Then I got my size 27mm socket back in here. We're going to use a swivel and extension to break it loose and get it out. Alright, I'm using 1/2" ratchet. There's the extension and the swivel right on the socket. And we'll go ahead and break this loose. There it is. And we'll go ahead and drive it all the way out. To get that socket on there was a pain, I tell you what. Once it's pretty loose, you want to get the ratchet out and the extension and everything, and kind of hand untighten it and grab the sensor so you don't drop it, because if you drop it, it's going to go into the land of no return. Alright, and I was able to drive it out with the whole socket. Wasn't able to get the socket out so I just ended up driving it out, and then I caught it and I pulled it out, and there it is. It's a brand new sensor, but it's a Duralast sensor. Got the replacement GM AC Delco, so hopefully that should take care of this issue. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.